touch. Leisure took to the skies, where relaxation floated among the clouds, and the city became a living work of art to be appreciated from every angle.
Bye, everyone. See you next week. Yeah, bye. That was a great picnic.
The morning commute became a silent, soaring ballet. 10,000 individual journeys woven into a single.
They built a place where no journey ever truly ended. It simply transformed. Where every
Character A, platform 77 for the Okinawa maglev connection.
Instant surrender to magnetism, where crossing the city took breaths, not minutes. The only sound of the city whispered past. Reach out, settle again, all based on the city's breathing needs.
the river remembered its ancient purpose to connect, but learned new ways to carry the city's life.
Chaos, solved by an algorithm of beautiful efficiency. Every movement, on every level.
Commerce took to the skies. The ancient ritual of the morning market found a new home, suspended between heaven. Commerce ascended to the clouds, where shopping became a silent ballet of desire.
Became theater. Every storefront a stage, every product a performance, and every purchase an experience woven from light and data.
Art learned to breathe, to change, to converse, where every visitor became part of the
The influx of ceramics suggests maritime activity. Some places were the spirit of the deal evolved.
The heart of Tokyo's social life beat in these hidden alleys.
They didn't plan for this street. It just happened. A messy, beautiful accident where the city's two
Fashion learned to breathe, to pulse with life, to change with emotion, where the streets became a runway of living art. The past learned to dance with the future here. Where every prayer, the world's cultures converged here, not just in goods, but in stories. Where every spice architecture became connection, where buildings learned to speak to each other, and every journey between them was a moment of beauty. The world's technology heartbeat found its rhythm here, where every gadget could be tested in thin air, and innovation, the city's green heart found gentle caretakers, where every leaf was tended with digital
The
precision.
city learned to feed itself from the inside out. But every season was harvest season, and abundance grew up toward the sun.
The city learned to tend itself. With gentle, watchful guardians that never food forgot about distance, harvested at dawn, delivered by breakfast, the city learned to feed itself.
This was the city's beating heart of commerce, a silent, ceaseless river of packages flowing through feet at distance.
not with speed, but with absence. Where did
Waste became an obsolete concept. What was once trash became resource. Cry went digital, where every fish carried its entire life story in light, and the ocean's bounty was traded at the speed of thought.